Yo, let's go. First try.
First try.
Just for that. Chat gets 60 seconds of ads. You're welcome, everybody.
Do you not normally add 60 seconds? Run 60 seconds?
At the beginning, I always do. Because it disables pre-roll ads for 21 minutes. So.
Oh, okay, that's really nice. I didn't know that's why you did it.
Yeah, so any early comers don't have to deal with that.
Did you see that corner boost? I never hit that corner boost because I don't know. I'm just bad at it.
I can click. Oh, would you be able to? Oh, can I adjust the? Okay, there we go. Wait, talk.
Talk.
Okay. Dude, they finally added separate audio tracks for that. Now I can adjust the
favorite level,
the screen share audio apart from the user audio. That's nice. All right, I'm using our 2 peeps file from last time. All mods. 4th Dimension, Farewell B-Side Partnership, D-Sides, Astral Tower, Spring Collab 2020, let's go.
Yeah, I just went to the how it is on the map.
Should be soon.
You have like tons more stuff than I do.
Yeah.
I think I have mine disabled until they need to be enabled, so that might be why.
Oh.
Oh, wait, it has a red exclamation point, wait.
Yours does?
I see what you're saying by the red exclamation point now.
Oh,
never mind.
Mine does not have that.
Okay, so doesn't anymore. Must be just I had never tried it, I guess. I don't know. Interesting. Well, all right, let's go. I'm ready.
Hold on a sec.
Oh yeah, okay.
Can you say something real quick?
Say something real quick. Or something real quick. I messed it up. Ah. Gonna keep talking till
All
I'm
right.
told to stop. Okay.
Yeah, you're good. I just need to boost the game audio.
Okay.
How do I do that? Do
I clicked this. I was like, all right, put my hand on the keyboard, just immediately click the button.
All right. That should be. Yeah, we'll boost it.
Am I loud? Am I like too quiet for you, but too loud for the stream?
No, both of us are good. It was really just the game audio that was a bit low.
Okay.
And if there's gonna be new tracks, then I'd like to have that in there.
Absolutely, yeah, definitely. All right.
All right.
I clicked.
Go. No, you're good. You're good. I'm in.
All right. All right. Mod options. Connect.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, we're here. Oh, you got the Maddie crown. I didn't get anything. I'm going original Maddie for this one.
Yo.
Welcome back.
Oh.
Oh. All right. We already got stuff going on.
Dude. Yo, I can't see you when it goes dark. I could just see your name. Oh, is this a cutscene?
Okay, this is sick. You can crouch, by the way. Oh, you can move. Okay.
Can't grab the walls.
I tried to get up to you.
I'll grab you.
This is awesome. Wow.
That was cool.
Underwater track. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful.
One of the coolest things games do is having separate.
Yeah.
All right.
So, all right, we went.
I mean, we clearly go left, right?
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Whoa.
I'm Vextos. I'm the other developer of Ahorn.
all the maps together. That's
X
probably
480.
one of the most mentally taxing things that was done as part of this.
Holy cow. That's insane. Jade.
Did some hard things. I believe it. Yeah, I was wondering like how the lobby and stuff like this works.
Crore. Main dev Horn, okay.
Thought this was water, but it's just the background. Artists.
Mail drop folder. What a name. Speedberry explosion. Well, we've got to see that then.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Flagpole 1-up. Nearly everything in the intermediate lobby.
Man. Huge shout out.
Oh my gosh!
Beefy Uncle.
Beefy Uncle, the boy! 13 soundtracks. Beginner lobby layout. Interesting.
Thieger 90.
Next.
20 tracks.
Just the way you did it. Oh.
Zachary Talis.
Okay, 6 soundtracks, and I also managed the official album. Shout out to him.
GG.
Speedrunners, these are the boys. All right,
Let's
starting
go.
up here. Made sure they were fun to play. Also speedrun a couple of maps and make sure the maps had reasonable times for different tiers of speed.
All right.
Interesting.
Hey, hi, yes, hello.
Yeah, I was like, what was the name? Made the Grandmaster lobby's layout. Interesting. Oh. Yeah, I'm sure the lobby of the Grandmaster itself is probably in and of itself insane.
Mm-hmm.
Like just like that's how I imagine it. Time 25 maps. Wow. I'm Dad Bod.
Let's
there
go.
he is. I read it in his voice. Like I just as soon as I saw it, I was like, I know who it is.
Dude, he works with like every
This guy's
mod.
just straight up Canadian. Stress a lot about fixing cameras. A 9D survivor. Oh my goodness.
Oh man.
Bob Dole on his map the most difficult in the collab. So whatever map was made by Bob Dole is the most difficult map.
Would that be
not that we can do it probably. Okay, oh whoops. Nope.
Working our way that way.
Okay. Well, we are now. You've revised all maps involved. Cool.
And SpongeBob.
Yeah. So decorated. Oh, what? Is this like Geometry Dash? We got like layouts and decorators? Interesting.
Sounds like.
I guess that would make sense. Oh yeah,
I've got my slow-mo cheat.
All I can do is this. Alright. Captain. The 2 Grandmaster they needed 2. Because I have high paint tolerance.
Mun.
Is that how you would say it?
I think so. Probably not.
Okay. Yeah, probably not.
I do not speak German.
4 of... I Am Dad Bod made at least 4 maps? Dude, how do you come up with such cool names? Starlit Grotto? That sounds awesome.
Fish hell. You better not be torturing any bass in this.
He's gonna make the water levels feel like torture. I can already tell. There's got to be at least one of those, right? Like. Oh, DeLuca. I know who this is.
The task captain.
The task.
Yo.
Dude, if this has a whole task, I would be.
Look in the bottom left.
Yeah. Task soon. Yep. I will be really excited to watch that once we're all finished. Yeah.
QC.
Entirely decorating 10 maps.
Oh my god. String, Toxic Sewers, Seeker Temple, Chill Out Mountain, Crypt of the Kevins. What?
Crypt of the Kevins. There's one just called Ultra Difficult. Oh, that doesn't...
Another summit. Yo, that sounds cool.
Create all 5 of them. Yeah, that makes sense. Most of the style grounds for the map entrances and all decoration in the beginning of the lobby. Wow.
Alright. Decorators.
Oh my goodness!
There's so many. Yo, it's a Hollow Knight thing.
Alright, we'll start over here.
Okay.
Because why not? Decoration is a long process for some maps and no, I shouldn't read this. I'm not the... You can either read it or we can just read it. I don't know why I started reading.
Dude, I Am Dad Bod literally does some of everything. It's crazy.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I mean, he literally was the reason this entirely exists. His passion for the modding community and the entire game is so good. Like
that, I'm sure any dev would hope to have someone like that. That's awesome.
Electric Exuberance.
Sounds like that sounds like a Geometry Dash level.
It does, dude. That would totally be one. Temple of Zoom. Temple of Zoom. Oh, Madalena Jones. Oh, I get it. Okay. Or Madalena. I don't know. Madalena is somewhere in the back of my head always. just let it be known.
Serene Skydive.
These are such cool names.
Intermediate, Abandoned, and Ruined. Woof.
Woof.
New Jank City.
Wow. From scratch. Straight up, like, the whole thing. I mean, yeah, somebody had to do it.
Yo, I'm sleepy too.
Thunder Temple. Cool. Hi, this is the Radley one. Theo Hell. Oh, I'm not looking forward to that.
Electrified Resort.
Yeah.
Also not looking forward to that.
Cool. Awesome. Great job to everyone already. Okay, I already know.
What's in the task screen? Yeah. Dude,
what the heck? This could be the whole stream. Rouse!
Fish McMuffins.
Yasuo! I think. Okay. I do know who this is. I actually probably know a lot of these people. Okay, I don't know who this is.
15 maps.
So everybody, it's already done! Or at least it's almost already done.
Yeah, it sounds like it's about 10 seconds of tasks. Gameplay takes
an hour to do?
Holy
I didn't know that.
Dude.
Like, I mean, I'm aware that tasking takes a long time, but I didn't know it was that much. That's actually crazy.
That is a fun fact.
All right. Oh my goodness. Dude, if everybody works at the same pace as like the fun fact, that's wow. This is a map I've heard of a couple times now.
The heck 90. Marlin!
The boy. Forest of the Ancients. I already know is a Grandmaster map because I heard it earlier.
Dang,
Oh my goodness, there's more
yeah,
in each section.
dude,
Okay,
there's a
so
lot.
all right, so oh my goodness, there's a lot of places. Okay, we're going to place testers first. Whoa, that's a lot. All
Some
right.
of these are doubles. They've been in other
Totally.
places. Over 1,000 hours
Yeah,
dedicated.
this was yeah. I did hear about that. 1,500 hours or so was dedicated just to playtesting.
Yo, the boy testing out lag for lower end laptops.
Yeah, shout out to that guy.
That's actually
Dude,
an insanely
this
helpful
music
thing.
is really good. I know I said that earlier, but yeah. Of course.
A lot of these are gonna read similarly, but everyone's name should be shown.
Yeah, I'm curious to see who did the Grandmaster ones, basically. Specific or like the hard maps. Because those probably needed the most playtesting, I want to say. I believe it. Oh, this is Zoe from League. I see it now. I know? I think I know who this is.
Expert and Grandmaster.
Yep, Cycle Madness and Gem Garden. Oh, he's straight up the goat.
Both pictures and videos.
Cool. Death Control. Okay. Cookie, once again. Shout out to the beginner playtesters.
Mm-hmm.
Like I'm sure that was like that also has its own bit of difficulty for playtesting.
Speedrunner time.
I can't climb. All right.
And guess
Oh,
you,
there's a
you
button.
you don't deserve to read the speedrunner
Oh
logs.
my goodness, why am I so bad? I didn't want to. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna be us probably.
Yo, nice.
What a legend. Set up list demos. Oh my goodness. Shout out to that guy again.
Yeah. Yo, what emote did he use?
No,
Snow
Madeline.
Madeline.
Chai Kitty. I know that he doesn't really play this game a ton anymore, but I am impressed that I haven't seen TGH's name at all.
Yeah,
But
I was thinking that same thing, honestly.
I know he has like really dipped away from this game. Oh, wait. He's right here.
Oh.
He's literally right here. All right. Wait. Rhythm Realm. Yeah, boy. Oh, I'm excited for that. All right.
Dark Side of the Moon, Ancient Engine, and Above Celeste's
Above
Peak.
Celeste's Peak.
More
All right,
musicians.
musicians. These are the goats right here. I am Dadbot's Grandmaster map. Okay. Blast processing. Oh, you already know it's gonna be the next level. Azurite Ascent. Oh. Azurite Ascent.
All the water things.
Shout out to that guy. Portal Tower and Hollow Knight guy.
Hornet.
Okay, cool. Come on! Alright.
More artists.
Okay. Oh, the official album art. I don't know if you looked at that, but it looked really good.
I haven't seen it. This is the FAQ.
Rainbow Berry? Hold up.
Seeker Temple.
Yeah.
Overgrown City, that sounds awesome.
Yeah, that sounds really cool too.
A Dash Spring.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow, shout out to Bissy. Yeah.
Almost all the faces.
Booster in orbit. That sounds cool. The names alone just intrigue me so much.
Mm-hmm.
Early looks at the Speedberry. Crystals and trenches of jellies. Dude, what cool names! I love it. Oh, dude, we're gonna have to make like a full like analysis tier list by the end of this. There's no way like
Of just the names.
well, okay. No, I mean of each map because like all of these just sound so phenomenal.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, I'm going.
Coders. My boys.
I'm actually really surprised there aren't more of these. New Dash. Interesting.
I'm guessing those are the Dash Springs mentioned earlier.
Right.
Static bumpers. Okay.
Well, this guy straight up created Frost Helper and more Dash. So nice. Gameplay request. That's cool.
Crumble block with variable timer. Sweet. Shouting out all the helper mods.
Of course.
Dog is back.
Coded for his own map. This guy is a gamer. Alright, I think we're finally ready to play.
Yeah, shout out to all those people.
That's why I went left first because I saw a room instead of an open air. An open sky. Are we doing this?
Just had to get in an early death.
Hold on. No, we're doing
Do you
something
think?
real quick. No. Okay, never mind. Take it back. There probably is some crazy way.
Whoa, there's spikes down there.
Good time. I was like, I'm gonna bunny hop, jump, and then up dash. The Celeste. Oh, what? Thank you for playing and have fun. I'm gonna have fun. I'm very excited. Don't fall in the hole. Never mind. Wait.
Hold on.
She stops. What do you?
There's water.
Yeah, I got a cutscene
Oh, you
by
did?
going to the right. Yeah. Which this is
Oh,
I
there
love
we go.
this.
I can do
That's
this.
that's. Okay, we're going this way, I guess.
Dang, we just missed whatever secret was down there. Thanks,
You want to go
Blizzard.
back and see it really quickly?
Dude, let's see.
All right.
What if there's something?
Oh, you're in.
Cutscene.
Oh, skip cutscene. All right, race. Nope. I died in the same thing again. Yeah, me too. Is this an... Wait,
I can't tell what it is.
is that an Ori reference?
I don't.
That
Think
looks like...
so?
Well, okay, I'm thinking like there's statues in Ori, but did the statues... Like, I mean, that looks like Ori himself.
Sort of.
Alright, well...
Gotta find those secrets, Rian. Yo, look at that gold split. 58 seconds. Who is
Congratulations.
Who is the speedrunner for Prologue?
Was there one?
I don't think so.
About to be us. Alright,
Alright.
beginner lobby. Here we go.
Dude, I cannot wait. You're entering a map that uses extended variant mode. For this map to work, extended variants have been enabled and reset to their default values. All right.
Very nice. Ding. Alright. Alright. There's already a lot going on here. Okay, so. Beginner gym. Here. Oh, that's awesome. I really like this. I'm assuming
Dude.
this had to be coded in. I really like that. That's a lot of maps. Wow. Okay, so where do we start?
Yo, it even has a hub map. I love
That's so
that.
cool. That's so cool.
All right,
Okay, so
let's start in the gym. I want to see
Yeah.
what kind of. I assume this just shows us kind of like
just shows
what
us
we
mechanics,
need.
yeah. Okay.
Dream jump. All right, I'm not gonna need that.
I'm doing it anyways. Yeah, okay. I'm doing it anyways, I don't care. Alright. Well, that's cool. I had a heart attack because I thought I was gonna die. Okay, fast bubble, I know how to do that.
Dream
Dream
grab.
grab. I believe this is when you just...
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm actually not too good at this, so... Knowing this will be helpful.
Doing it quickly is
And
what
then
I'm
fast
bad at.
bubble, I believe, is just... Yeah.
One side bubble. Oh, yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see. I was trying to test how it would kill you.
Whew. What?
Fun.
What? How did it do that?
I don't know what happened there. Alright. How do we get out? Maybe we have to just exit.
Yeah, I think so.
Map?
Return to
to
lobby. Yo!
That's so cool! That is so cool! Like, I cannot begin to express how cool that is. Okay, so. The first map looks like it's like straight up. Okay, wait, are we gonna do these in order? Is that the plan?